Thank you for watching the solutions tutorial on saving the BPTC spreadsheet back to the iSeries. By this time you've opened your spreadsheet and you've made the necessary changes. You're going to go up to the top left corner and click on the Save icon. You will always answer yes to the question that pops up. Do you want to keep using that format? Yes. Then you can go ahead and click on Save back to the iSeries. You're going to choose ComCrew if you're the auditor, ComChris if you're the assessor. We're going to choose ComCrew. You're going to click drag and drop. It will submit and your spreadsheet has been saved back to the iSeries. This report will pop up showing any changes that you may have made. You can go ahead and close the report. Once you've closed the report, if you'd like to see that report again, you can go to your C drive, Query Data folder, and the report will be saved there as BPT. You've now successfully saved your spreadsheet back to the iSeries. Thank you for watching.